Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and I'm joining Rebecca from Meadowhill Home and DIY on her tier tray challenge, and I'm so excited because I love to decorate me a good tier tray. Now let's get started. This is part of a monthly challenge that she's making on her channel, and I wanted to take part because she invited me. And now I'm gonna take my tray that I just gave it a sprucing up just by giving it a good coat of white paint, chalk paint. Now let's get started. This is my tray that I just gave it a good coat of white paint and enamel look, and those are the things I'll be using. First, some sunflowers, that cute house and antler that I will be fixing. Now I'll fix it, and I'm gonna add a Buddha head I bought for a previous project, and that cute wreath, grapevine wreath. I also will be adding on the bottom part my home sign, that cute critter, my K for my first name, that beautiful pine cone, some lemons to the back, and that cute mason jar that you see over there that's blue. That's gonna go on the back. This is how it's looking. Let me give you a closer look. And this is how it turned out. As you can see over there, you can see how my tray turned out. Let me give you a closer look. Over there we have the sunflowers, the house, the wreath, the Buddha on the back, the pine cone, and on the bottom part we have the lemon and the jar, the home sign, the critter, and the K for my first name. And that's the home sign I DIY'd. And I styled it using those sunflowers that I DIY'd and that blessed sign. And over here we have the tabletop ladder that I DIY'd, and this is how it looks. It's so cute. I love it. So cute. In the description box down below, I'm going to give you the link to the playlist and also to our challenge host. I just want to take this opportunity to thank Rebecca for bringing us this awesome challenge. I love how this turned out. And remember, if you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching this type of videos. Take care. Bye-bye.